Bumps in the road. Let's talk about it today in Car Chats with Robert. Hi guys, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. And bumps in the road are inevitable on your way to success. Success is not a linear path, right? There's bumps, there's ups and downs, there are pitfalls, there are holes on the ground that you don't see, and you're bound to bump into any one of them, and perhaps you are put by the side of the road for a little bit because of it. No big deal. Keep your eye on the big goal. Keep your big why focus in front of you, and be sure to, how can I say, be fueling the fire that is inside of you to keep you going. It is important to daily review your goal, daily have the thing in front of you that you want, daily have affirmations of what you want to accomplish. In my case, you know, I am so happy. This is one of mine. I am so happy and grateful now that I'm making $5,000 a day in trading. I am recognized as a leader in the industry, and I help thousands of people to become financially free. I have helped at least 1,000 traders to become six-figure traders. That's one of my affirmations. I say that over and over and over and over. I keep that in front of me when I go to sleep. I keep that in front of me when I wake up in the morning. I keep that goal right in front of me. Okay, right now, my goal, my immediate goal, my short-term goal is $300 to $500 a day. $300 to $500 a day. I'm getting ready to up that up now, but $300 to $500 a day, because it keeps me on track to the financial goals that I have for the end of the year. But there are bumps along the way. You know, you end up with a trade that doesn't go your way, or a trade that you were winning at and now you're losing. That's what happened to me last night. I'm going to show you that here in just a video, and perhaps we should go to that and then come back. As you can tell from a couple lines here from the setup from last night, price broke out. That's broke below the trend line. That's the one I was waiting for it to get down to that line, to that yellow line. It came all the way down there and just barely went back up. That's the loss. As it came up, I wanted to make sure that if it wasn't retesting the trend line or the 50 moving average, once it became obvious that it wasn't, I went ahead and closed. I took the buy all the way up, not all the way up to the peak. That was like 30 pips or so, just enough for me to get my win. And eventually, it did break down below the trend line. For a massive win. I believe that was 50, 60 pips all the way to the bottom. Again, but being NFP week, I don't need to be in the market hanging around. But I do want to point out how the second time it broke the trend line, it retested it perfectly, and then it dropped, having retested the 50 moving average. Again, the 50 moving average strategy working again. And here we go again, now in the opposite direction. It's climbed back up. It's climbed the 50 moving average, it's climbed the trend line. But again, it's Friday, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, not a time to trade. So I'm done. I'm done for the week. Just thought I'd leave you a little bit of value here on the setup from last night. Again, these setups, we teach the people, our team, how to do these. And again, this is very few lines. The setup is more complicated than this. By complicated, I mean it has more information. It's not that it's more complicated. It has more information that will make it really clear and easy to see how to take our setups. In fact, we leave instruction on how to take them, and we teach them how to take them. I can teach you how to do this, and you could be making this money too. All right? Take care, guys. Here are my winnings from last night, which, as you can see, also adds up to the weekly profits. Let's see. I entered into the GBP USD break of the trend line, and I was expecting it to go all the way to my support line, but it stopped just short of it. It stopped just short of it, and now I'm stuck trying to figure out which way is it going to go. Is it coming back up to retest the trend line before it goes back down, or is it going to go up above and move the trend line? This is when I then went up to the higher time frame, to the 4-hour, and on the 4-hour, the wick on the 4-hour candle became really obvious that it was becoming bullish. And so once it climbed the 50 moving average, I entered in for the buy. I believe that's what it was, somewhere around in there. And I took a small position and a bigger position going up and met the goal. I closed it, was done, early night, bye-bye, to bed. Anyway, I just wanted to show you again, small increments, little small increments here and there add up to a whole bunch of money. And you can do this, guys. We can teach you how. If you want to book a one-on-one, let me know. Even if you're not part of our team, I'm willing to do one-on-one on you. When we can book it through the site, and I can send you a link if you want to. If you are struggling in Forex, we are willing to help. You can join our mentorship again or have a one-on-one, and I will train you. So, hope that you guys are well. Have a great weekend. God bless you. So as you can see, guys, bumps in the road are inevitable. They're gonna happen. You know, when you're trying to get $200 to get to your goal and you end up with 270 negative, that's not good. That's not good. But you simply reassess. You don't necessarily jump on a trade right away. You wait to see if your setup is there. If your setup is there, then you take it. When your setup is there, you take it every time. Remember, if your system has a 75-80% win rate, then take it every time. Take it every time. You're gonna lose 20%, but you got that other 80% that's gonna help you to get to your goals. So no big deal. Bumps in the road, no big deal. As long as you have a clear vision to where you wanna go. Like Dexter Yeager used to say, if the dream is big enough, the facts don't count. And that is the truth. This is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. I hope you found this information helpful, although it was short and brief. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.